have something really cool to show you guys today. This is a 2006 Search and Destroy Hummer H1 that's for sale. We built this Hummer with the 1% in mind. So what I want to do today is give you guys a walk around. For starters, we have a 6.6 Garrett turbocharged Duramax V8 diesel. Pumps out 500 horsepower, 750 foot-pounds of torque. And trust me, you want that for this massive beast. The whole truck has been painted satin black to give it that mean, aggressive military look. Heavy-duty brush guard mounted in the front. Great for clearing the way of objects, but more importantly, if you live in Houston, great for clearing the floodwater.
Damn! No way.
Having a light bar in the front just wasn't enough for us, so we decided to put lights everywhere. Lights on the front, right, left, and even the back. We have lights everywhere. Doesn't matter how dark it is outside, you can see no matter where you're going. These are custom forged wheels made specifically for our Search and Destroy H1s. From the spoke design to the sizing, the widths, the offset, the color. They're even compatible with the CTIS system, so you can inflate or deflate whenever you want. And with our 4-inch lift kit suspension setup, you're getting so much more ground and water clearance when you need it. You won't find these on any of the Hummer unless it's a Search and Destroy H1. And on the back of the Hummer, we have a rear ladder system, and you're probably wondering, well, where does it go to? It goes to the roof. We have a roof rack capable of holding up to 2,000 pounds. Perfect for camping and hunting. But we didn't just stop there. We also revamped the entire interior. From the seats to the racks in the back, everything was carefully planned out. Search and Destroy tactical seating with MOLLE straps in the back. Great for storing tactical accessories. We also have a PA system. And it sounds like this. As mentioned before, this one is for sale. So if you're interested in a very special H1 that's made specifically for the 1%, then hit us up. This one will not last.